Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain you how to do the addition of the two integers in a Python or two floats number in a Python. So to start here I have already created addition.py file into my system. So here how we can start here, like we can create two variables and we can assign the two values to them. So let's start now. So I have created num1 is equal to 30, then num2 is equal to 40. So these are the two variables that I have created. So I'm assigning sum is equal to num1 plus num2. In this Python, we don't need to declare a data type to a number, so that it is very easy that we don't need to take care of that. Python already take care of that, whatever it is. So after that, I am printing this sum of these two numbers. So I'm just adding here print of sum of 0 and 1 is 2. Here I'm just formatting the string dot format, and in this format function I'm passing the num1, then num2 and sum. So it will automatically pick up the 0th position as a num1, 1st position as a num2, and 2nd position as a sum. So let's now run this program into our Python, uh, into the Python. So here I have what I will tell you. Like I have created a Python practice folder. So it's a very good habit, guys. You should create one folder whenever you do the practice of any of the programming language. You should create one folder, and whatever program you do, you have to store that program into the one of the folder. So because whenever you will be needing, you can directly go to the folder and you can get the program. So let's run this program. Here we can type like python addition.py. So here we will be getting answer sum of 30 and 40 is 70. So this is how we can do the addition of the two numbers. So we can see that now if we wanted to take an input from the user, then how we can do that. So input of enter or trace a first number. So here I will be typing uh, please enter a first number. Please enter a second number. And here I have given these two numbers and added this number into the sum, and I'm printing this number, printing this sum into the console. So if we run this program, we will be getting the input message as please enter a first number. So I'm entering the first number as a 50 and second number as a 30. So let's see what is our output. So here we have get like a 50-30. Why? Because Python compiler don't know whatever value we have inserted, it is an integer or float or something else. So it is considering it as a string. So we have to tell the Python compiler it is the value of number. Like here I am telling it can be a float. So float of num1, then float of num2, and I'm printing the sum of the num1 and num2. So let's run this program again. So here I am running this program again. So enter first number, I am entering 50, then the second is 16. So output is 110. So let's run it again. 1.2, 2.8, and answer is 4.0. So answer is in float. So this is how we can do the Python addition program. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share, and comment into my comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want any additional additional topic into the Python and you want the video from that, so please write into the comment. I will provide the video for you guys. Until then, thank you very much, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.